Hello and welcome to another support system tutorial. In this video, I'm walking you through the user import process. You have the option to import users via a simple list of names and email addresses, or you can import a CSV file which can contain additional user details such as an account number or location. First, let's go through the process of importing a list. You will need to open up any text editor and create a simple list of names and email addresses separated by commas, and create a new line for each user. Once complete, you'll highlight and copy the list, and then go to the user directory, paste the list, and then select Import Users. Now that the users have been imported, a last optional step is to send them a registration email so that they can create a password for the user portal to access their ticket history. To do this, you will select All at the bottom of the page, then select the gear icon, then Register. Now let's import a CSV file. The first step is to go to the user directory and select Import, then the Upload tab. Take note of the headers listed here, as these are the fields that will be imported and your spreadsheet will need to match these headers. If there are additional fields that you would like to add to import, then you will need to first add them by going to the Admin panel, Manage tab, Forms, Contact Information form. Add any fields to this form, then save changes. When going back to the Import Upload screen, you will now see that the columns have been updated to reflect the changes you made. Now that the form is ready, it's time to create the spreadsheet. For the spreadsheet, your column headers will need to match the header names listed in SupportSystem. Fill out all of the fields, and once complete, you will export your spreadsheet into a CSV file. Next, you will go back to the user directory import screen and upload the CSV file. Once the users are added, you can optionally send them a registration email so that they can create a password for the user portal to access their ticket history. And that's all for this tutorial. You will find full details on the user directory over at our documentation website at docs.supportsystem.com. As always, please feel free to give us a call or email if we can be of assistance with anything. Thank you for choosing SupportSystem to make happy customers.